Did you ever wonder how many stars there are in the universe? Well, get ready for a mind-boggling magnitude of celestial objects. The universe is massive, spanning billions of light years across. And within this vast expanse, scientists estimate that there are approximately 100 billion galaxies. And each of these galaxies contains billions of stars. In fact, the Milky Way alone is home to around 100 billion stars. But hold on tight, because that's just a fraction of the stars in the universe. According to current estimates, there are around 10 trillion galaxies, each filled with countless stars. That means there could be as many as 1 septillion stars in the observable universe. That's a 1 followed by 24 zeros. It's a number so massive, it's hard to even comprehend. To give you some perspective, if we were to count all the stars in the universe, counting 1 star per second, it would take us over 3 billion years to finish. That's longer than the entire existence of the human species. And here's another mind-blowing thought. The universe is constantly expanding, which means there are probably even more stars out there than we can currently imagine. So, the next time you look up at the night sky and see those twinkling stars, remember that you're witnessing just a fraction of the mind-boggling magnitude that is the universe. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more mind-blowing content.